Determining the correct amount of solvent cements and primers to order for your project can mean significant savings in both cost and time. Too little could result in delays and added cost to order more, and too much results in overspending and potential waste. Weld-On has developed a proprietary tool that calculates an accurate estimate of how much cement and primer is required for your project, based on pipe size and number of fittings. You can access the calculator on the Weld-On website from your desktop or any mobile device. From the Technical Information drop-down menu, select Cement Usage Calculator to be taken to the landing page. Click on the links to download the calculator file in either English or Spanish. Once you have downloaded the calculator file, open it in Microsoft Excel. Simply enter the quantity of fittings per configuration and pipe diameter in the corresponding green box on the chart. The results for solvent cement and primer are provided in the yellow boxes below in pints, quarts, or gallons. Note that each type of cement requires its own separate calculation. With Weld-On's easy-to-use cement calculator tool, you'll be better prepared with the right amount of material for a successful application. To get started with the cement usage calculator, visit us online at www.weldon.com or click on the links provided in the description below.